Packard 250 G5. Let's check it out. G5 250. Power flag and the battery alternator. Warranty. Okay, so it has some weight to it. Let's see it from the side. The back here, there's nothing. You can see here we have an old TV port, the internet port, HDMI port, and two USB ports here. Over here, there's nothing. There's this fabric that protects the keyboard. Another USB port here, and the DVD-R port, power plug, probably here. Let's open it up, and voila. Let's take a closer look. Keyboards and stuff. It says here Intel iCore 3, AMD Radeon graphics. The buttons are okay. Screen is okay. I gotta say it's a bit hard to open. Let's zoom out. It's a bit hard. It's a new screen, of course, and it folds a bit. The angle is normal for a PC. Now we have the buttons for the mouse pad. The mouse pad is over here, nice silver color, and no battery, of course. We have to plug it in. One nice feature in the back is the fact that it has, as you can see, a removable battery. This is the safety, and press this here, and this here. This is the battery. It's a small battery. Now how many? It says 2,850 milliamps. And it's a very light battery, so you can operate this with or without a battery, or you can change the battery after a while if it has less power by the use. And this is safety. We'll lock it up. And this is it. Has a texture surface. Here, logo. Let's zoom out. Okay, so after a couple of minutes, we're inside the Windows 10. We can see that we have approximately 1 terabyte of space, of which 39.9 gigabytes are being used. And some info about the PC. The laptop. It has Windows 10. Has an Intel iCore i3. I don't know if you can see that. Yep, probably you can. And 4 gigabytes so let's of RAM. Check out the speakers. Now we can see it's 100%. Something else. It's not very loud. The clarity, it's okay, but not something great. Turn it down a bit. Let's put it up full. Let's check out. Okay, so we get it to the point. Oh, it has a mute button, that was cool. So let's do a shut down and restart, and let's see how fast it will restart. It says restart here, and we are setting the clock. Let's see, hope it makes about a minute. Restart. Now it took almost over 2 minutes to restart, and the reason for that is the fact that probably there are other things going on in the background, because if you saw in my Lenovo, which has almost the same specs as this laptop, it starts about around 120, so there are probably other things going on in the background. I have to check those things out. It's a bit heavier than the Lenovo, but I think it's better quality in terms of texture and stuff like that. I will keep you posted for more info after I try it a bit more. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.